sorry. This is Dr. Julie Siegerman. I'm demonstrating some of the stretching exercises for plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis. And essentially we're stretching the calf muscle, but we want to do it properly so we don't cause any injury and we get the best benefit. So the first one is the runner stretch, where you'll put, if I'm stretching my right foot, I have the right foot behind me. Heel on the ground, this knee is straight. The forward leg is bent like a lunge, holding onto the wall, and just lean forward until you feel that stretch in the back of the leg. It shouldn't be anything painful, but hold that for a good 30-40 seconds at a time. Then after you do that, you'll switch, do the other foot in the same manner. The second stretch is called a soleus stretch. So you have two sets of muscles in the calf. Your gastrocnemius and your soleus is farther down. So you do a little bit of a staggering of the feet, both heels on the ground, squat down, and you'll feel it pull a little bit farther down. And again, hold this for a good 30-40 seconds if your knees are good and can tolerate this. Third stretch we want to do is the stair stretch. Now, I don't want you to do it this way where you're dropping your weight down because you tend to overstretch. So my preference is stand at the foot of the steps, put one foot at a time on the step, push the heel down, and sort of lean forward into it. You'll feel that stretch in the calf. Again, hold that 30 or 40 seconds. You don't want to overstretch at any time because, first of all, you could actually injure yourself. And secondly, if you overstretch a muscle, to protect itself, it contracts back, so you're not getting a good stretch out of it. Then the last stretch is when we're going to stretch both the calf and the hamstring. They both cross the knee. So if one is tight, chances are the other one is tight. So you have the knee straight, foot out. You can do this on the floor too. Have some kind of, you can use a stretchy band, you can have a towel, a belt, a rope, or if you're flexible, reach down and touch your foot and just pull that foot straight back, and you'll feel this stretch all the way up the calf and the hamstring. And again, hold this a good 30-40 seconds. Now, if we're treating plantar fasciitis, another thing we can do is soak the foot in warm water. We can also do sort of a thumb massage, just massage this area. This is generally where the pain is, where that ligament inserts. You can roll your foot over a tennis ball, a golf ball, a fat candle, anything like that to give you some massage to the area, break up that scar tissue, help with the blood flow to the ligament. And at the end of your stretching, you can use some ice. And those are some simple stretches for you to do for plantar fasciitis and Achilles tendonitis.